Hello guys. In this video, I am gonna show you how to put yourself into a vector poster design in Adobe Illustrator. I chose A3 for my design. Let's prepare the background first. You can give a color that you are happy with. Then, lock the background. Okay, let's prepare the photo. Import the photo, and adjust the size of it. Select the photo, and go to Object menu, and find the image trace. Then click on Make. Then, go to Window menu, and find Image Trace panel, and click on it. Then, open Advanced Settings. Check the box of Ignore White. Then, choose Threshold, according to your image. I chose 128 threshold. Then, choose the percentages of path and corners per to your image. And noise also. Then, our image is ready. And I take and place it on background. Hold Shift and adjust the size. Then, you can type your name or anything else. Take the vertical type tool and type. Then, choose the font. I chose 28 Days Later font, and this font is free. You can find the link of it below the video. Hold Shift and adjust the size of the font. Okay, you also make your own vector poster with your own image and tell us in comments below. Here, I am gonna add an effect. Make a rectangle with Rectangle tool and take the Direct Selection tool. Click on an anchor point. Then hold Shift and move them left by pressing left arrow keys. Then, fill it with white. Then, open the vector effects, links are below the video, and the vector is free. Choose one of 4 types. Select, and press Ctrl or Command C. And, go back to your design, then, press Ctrl or Command V. Here our effect is clip to a rectangle, release the clipping mask, and delete the rectangle. Then, group the effect. Then place it on the rectangle. Here, I am gonna use clipping mask for the rectangle and the effects. So, bring the rectangle to font and select both, then make clipping mask. And, I am gonna give a color. Go to Layers panel, find the clip group, and open it, then select the effect, which is below the rectangle, and fill it. Then, you can type something on the effects.